Hey guys, this is Kelly, the teen librarian at the Wichita Falls Public Library, here for another Crafteen Tuesday. Today we will be personalizing our own journals with a metallic permanent marker. We will be providing the supplies and a grab-and-go bag at the youth side of the service desk. We will be providing the permanent markers and the journal that you'll be personalizing. All you'll need is your creativity and imagination. If you want to, you can sketch a design using a pencil on the journal first, or you can just start straight away with the marker. Today I will be sketching mine first and then going over the design with the marker. You can kind of see my design here that I sketched out, and now I'm just going to go over it and you'll get to see what the metallic marker looks like on the journal as well. You just need to wait for it to dry, but it's gonna look something similar to this, just whatever design you choose. And then after it dries, if you did sketch it out in pencil, you can always erase the pencil afterwards. I'm not the most creative, so it's not exactly on the lines that I sketched. But for me, this is pretty good. It's still drying a little bit, but this is my finished product, and this is a lined journal, so you can use it as a journal, you can do character builds in it, you can even use it for school. But this is our craft for Crafteen Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time.